Good evening. My name is Jonathan Alexander Montaña Sanabria. I am 27 years old. I'm a sixth semester student of environmental energy at the UNAD INSEAD Sogamoso. I like listening to music. I like going exploring in the surfing the internet. I like going to the movies. I dislike reading a book. I dislike camping or desk cooking. Dislike inking. In the last vacation, went with my mother, my father, and my brother to the plane, specifically the city of Agua Azul Casanare, what stands at the ocean of, and the third day went with to the river and met some Finnish. At Nick went at a disco dance and the what a lot of fun. The second day went to another city, Yopal, where shopping centers and the amusement park. He went spinning off and found money where Nick things on the weekend. We went to the zoo and the pool where I learned to read and play warrior volleyball. I am very happy with the trip that we take as my family. Next year the wheels go to Santa Marta to set the sea. Checking.